Not every threat is the same, and your response shouldn't be either. A ransomware attack, an insider threat, a supply chain compromise, each demands a different approach. That's why Cisco Talos Incident Response Playbooks are built to match the threats you face. Available as a part of a Talos IR retainer, these playbooks go beyond a traditional incident response plan. Each one is tailored to your unique needs and risk factors and serves as a step-by-step guide: how to triage, contain, investigate, and recover, with roles and responsibilities defined at every step. Talos IR brings years of real-world experience, helping you pressure test your playbooks against realistic scenarios so there are no surprises when it matters most. With Talos IR playbooks, you'll have a framework, a checklist, and a decision tree to help your team handle incidents smoothly and protect what matters most to your organization. Because when a security incident hits, it's not just about reacting fast, it's about knowing exactly what to do next. To learn more, visit talosintelligence.com/IR.